Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have what you need: a smartphone, a desktop with Microsoft Teams, and a webcam app. First, install the phone app and the matching desktop client. Once installed, connect the phone to the PC via USB or the same Wi-Fi network. USB gives lower latency. Make sure you grant camera, microphone, and storage permissions on the phone and enable any debugging prompts if using USB. After permissions, open the desktop client app to confirm it detects the phone as a camera device. Now open Microsoft Teams and join a meeting or start a test call. In Teams, go to Settings Devices and pick the phone camera listed by the webcam app. If your phone provides audio, choose that mic or switch to your desktop mic if preferred. Once selected, preview video and adjust orientation and resolution inside the webcam app or Teams. Higher resolution uses more bandwidth. Make sure camera focus and framing look good. If latency appears, switch from Wi-Fi to USB for a more stable connection. Finish by positioning the phone on a stable mount and locking screen rotation so your framing stays consistent. Close unnecessary apps that could be using the camera or hogging CPU, and confirm battery settings won't sleep the phone mid-call. Before the meeting, run a quick Teams device test to verify audio and video. If video fails or stutters, restart the webcam app, reconnect the USB cable, or swap between Wi-Fi and USB. Often a simple reconnect resolves driver or permission hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.